Hey Scott, good morning, afternoon, whatever time it is that you see this. This is my first attempt at a battery box. As you can see, the corners. This battery box, however, isn't quite the right dimensions. It's not quite tall enough and not quite wide enough. The batteries will fit inside of it, but I need just a little bit more room, and the length isn't right. You notice I made the little lip on the tail. I really need to come out that full spot. And the 3D design that I sent you, that's replaced with more space. So there's more overall length inside the box, so that the batteries will fit, and a little bit wider just to help with the wires. Now, this one is plastic. This is a cast plastic, and it's frickin' tough. I think I'm going deaf just listening to the bang. And I'll grab my scale and we'll see what it weighs. So it weighs 454 grams, so it's a little on the heavy side, and it was actually poured, I think, a little bit too thick. But this was my first attempt at it. It's close to 1/8 of an inch thick. I think it needs to be probably 1/16 of an inch thick. Anyways, it gives you an idea how tough it is. Where it was, I just broke it. Cool. I was always worried about that particular point. I always thought it was the thinnest. Anyways, you can see what the dilemma is. I'm trying to figure out what is the best solution for this. Anyways, there you go. Cheers.